The easy way to share Wi-Fi passwords between iOS and Android devices. Share Wi-Fi password between iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Requirements. Unlock both devices. Ensure both devices have the latest OS version. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. Disable the personal hotspot. Sign into iCloud on both devices using your Apple ID. Save each other's Apple ID in contacts. Keep both devices close, but not too close, to avoid triggering the iOS 17 name drop feature. Connect to the Wi-Fi you want to share on your device. Ask your friend to try connecting to the same Wi-Fi network from their iPhone, iPad, or Mac. On iPhone and iPad, a prompt will appear asking if you want to share the Wi-Fi password. Tap on Share Password. On Mac, a prompt will appear at the top right corner. Click on Options, then select Share. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Share Wi-Fi password from iPhone, iPad, or Mac to Android, iOS 18 and macOS Sequoia. Open the Passwords app on your device. In the app, select the Wi-Fi tab. Choose the Wi-Fi network your device is connected to. Click or tap the Share button in the top right corner to share your Wi-Fi network details using your preferred app. Alternatively, you can tap Show Network QR Code to create a QR code for your Wi-Fi password. Once the QR code is generated, ask your friend to scan it with their Android phone. Share Wi-Fi password from iPhone, iPad, or Mac to Android, iOS 17 and earlier. Go to the Shortcuts app and go to Gallery. Access Shortcuts for accessibility and select QR your Wi-Fi. Choose Add Shortcut. Go back to your shortcuts and tap on it. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Then, tap Done. Activate Siri by saying, Hey Siri, or pressing the Home or Power button. Ask Siri, QR your Wi-Fi. Siri will generate a QR code of your Wi-Fi password and display it on your screen. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.